Hi dear Leos, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading from middle of March till the end of March, and we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome. Okay, so right now your partner's energy is the 10 of Wands. They are under a tremendous pressure. I feel like this person is not able to survive this, that this relationship is making them way down. This relationship, or this energy of being in this relationship or being in love, is making them uh, burdened, and this feeling of burden is making them like, okay, making them feel like, okay, I want some kind of relief. But the good news is this is a card of 10. So basically there will be a new beginning, there will be a newfound emotion, there will be newfound things from their side, a new perspective from their side. Right now your energy is the death. You are going through a major transformation, Leo. I feel like this phase of your life is making you feel like you are not the same person anymore. You have grown up into something else. You are doing something else in your life that you never did in the past. So basically there is a huge transformation going on in your life right now. How your person sees you, the sun, they see you as their happiness. They see you somebody who makes them very happy, somebody who makes them really feel good about themselves, somebody who they adore, somebody they feel like, yes, this person should be around me whenever I meet them, or whenever they think about you, they think about happiness. They think about child energy, kids energy. They think about, yes, you are the one for them. That is the thing. Okay, you make them really happy, Leo. You make them really happy. How you feel your person, how you see your person as a page of cups. You feel like your person is kind of emotional and immature. You feel like your person is not the one who handles emotions very maturely. That you feel like your person is someone who is very emotional, very sensitive, at the same time very immature. Okay, because the page energy is the kind of kids like energy, immature energy. And how your partner feels about you, this is the Queen of Pentacles. Your partner feels like you are a very stable, down to earth, and beautiful person. They feel like you are the right first person for anybody on earth, not just for them. Your partner feels like you are the right person for anybody. You could be the right person for anybody who will come to your life, and you can make anybody happy with your positivity, with your happiness, with your beautiful energy around you. They find you a very stable and down to earth and practical person to deal with. Okay, how you see your partner, how you feel about your partner, sorry, you feel about your partner is the Seven of Cups. I feel like, Leo, you have options in your life, and you are a little confused about this particular person in your life. You feel like, okay, what should I tell you? I feel like you feel like I should better explore other options too, because you have options in your life. You are right now. I don't feel like you are stuck on this person anymore, or you are waiting for this particular person to come to your life. You are exploring your options. You are feeling like exploring all other options in your life that are coming towards you, all other offers in your life that are coming towards you, and that is a very good energy, because I feel like you are kind of confused about this particular person right now. You are not in the zone of committing to them, or saying yes to them, or saying, yeah, okay, this is my one and only person. No, you are exploring your options, Leo, right now. I think this is a good energy. And what they want from this relationship is the Fool. They want a start, they want a brand new beginning in this relationship with you. They want to take a leap of faith with you. Whosoever this person is, they want to start this relationship again with you. They are ready to have a leap of faith with you. They are ready to take the risk with you. They are ready to have a brand new beginning with you, Leo. This is a good energy. What you want from this relationship, this is the Six of Swords. You want this relationship to move towards a peaceful phase, to come to a peaceful resolution. You just want this relationship to work out in a manner that things will be harmonious and peaceful, and this relationship will eventually be a good and peaceful relationship, a harmonious relationship. From this particular person, you feel like there should be harmony, there should be peace. That is what you are feeling about. That is what you want from this relationship or this particular person right now. The outcome from their side is Knight of Pentacles. They are moving towards you, but they are coming towards you with a solid offer, a commitment, a long-term relationship, but they are coming in very slowly. They are taking very slow steps, or you can say baby steps, towards you and coming towards you. They feel like you are their happiness. They are ready to take a leap of faith with you, and they are coming in with the offer, but they are taking the sweetest time to come to you and do this. Okay. On the other hand, the outcome from your side is a five of wants. So basically, I feel like you will feel conflicted about this particular person. You are already in the confusing phase related to this person. You feel like, Leo, that this particular person or this particular relationship is not giving you anything rather than conflict and quarrels and negativity. So maybe you are taking your best time. You are exploring other options to, basically, you need harmony and peace in your life. That is why maybe you are right now, you are in this conflicting phase about this particular person, and by the end of March, I feel like there will be a decision from your side that you want this person or not. I feel like this. Okay. The outcome from the universe is the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the Hermit. Ace of Cups, new love coming in your life, new emotions coming in your life. Ace of Swords, a new brand new beginning in your life. Again, you are starting a brand new life with transformation. The Death card is all about transformation. There will be new love coming in, new emotions, new offers coming in. There will be a brand new beginning. There will be victorious phase of, this will be a victorious phase of your life. I feel like from this point onwards in your life, you are going to have a very brand new, very different life as it used to be before. And the Hermit card is, you are taking your sweet time, you are looking inwards, you are working on yourself, you are healing yourself, you are working on your spirituality, and then you are going to move further in your life. But I feel like there's somebody new coming in your life, there's somebody new coming in and offering you a love offering you something good, and there will be a victorious new beginning in your life. I feel like work wise also you are going to do good, Leo, that after so many months of struggling and conflict, and being in this conflicting energy and being in this energy of lots of negativity and toxicity, you are finally moving towards a better future, moving towards a beautiful future, and that is a very good energy. I pulled three cards from the Love Oracle deck, and I got the Healing Heart. The first card for you is the Healing Heart, healing from a heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. This is what you guys are doing in the March, healing from a heartbreak. Okay, that is what you guys are doing. Somebody is coming in and they are going to offer you something, and this is the I like you card. Someone likes you, romance is blooming, fun, flirting, want to date. Someone likes you and someone is offering something good to you. I told you someone likes you very much, and somebody new is also coming in your life with a brand new love offer. And lightning, this sudden changes, shocking news, surprise and transformation. Already this is happening with you guys. So death is kind of sudden changes, sudden transformation, sudden news that will change the course of your life for the better. So Leos, I know this is a mixed reading, not a very good, not a very bad, but eventually this is going to be a very good phase of your life after all this shit that is happening right now with you. So Leos, trust your intuition, that is very high. I know it is high for Leos. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. I hope this reading will give you some insight about your future in this March month. So do subscribe to my channel and do share with your friends as well. Do comment in the comment section below and let me know how it resonates with you. Thank you so much. God bless you and namaste.